Okay, I had to test out this electric wood chipper. It only comes with a few parts. Assembly was quick and easy. It's essentially just the stand and the wheels. The Allen wrench was included. It's a 2-year limited warranty, 15 amp electric motor, so it works with all standard outlets. I assembled it in just a couple minutes. The electric wood chipper does come with the waste bag. It's reusable. Whenever operating a wood chipper, safety glasses are super important. You have several different openings of sizes, and that's probably the 1.8 or almost 2 inch in diameter, so you can easily see how the sizing that you're putting in there. So right on the side of your electric chipper, you do have a push bar provided, so you don't have to get your fingers in there. Okay, this is the biggest limbs I have on the property.